There's a 2008 Mazda 3 rebuild project, deer hit, clean title. People started buying parts for it. One person tore it apart, and the other family member didn't know how to put it back together. Got new radiator support, and new cooling fans, new radiator in there already. Needs a mirror. Got the mirror already, but needs a mirror put on. Blew the driver's airbag, which is not a big deal. I'll replace it. None of the seat belts locked or anything. It's got like 142,000 miles on it. Needs detailed, but that's their thing, not mine. I'm just doing the work. There's the old radiator. They're getting new headlights and a new grill for it. There's more parts in here. Gotta love the rebuilds of people that started tearing them apart, and now you get put them back together to make them a car. Here's the hood. Junkyard hood I picked up during a real bad windstorm that we had. I was at the junkyard pulling the hood. Here's the driver's side fender. Got a little bit damage here, front corner and rear back here. It's not bad enough for me not to be able to fix. There's a new bumper cover they had purchased. They purchased parts, but they didn't. They purchased them, but didn't know how to put them on. I grabbed all the old parts because they had ripped them all off. There's the old hood. One of the old parts for the brackets and clips and basically whatever I can find. Walk back here to the car trailer because I haven't taken all the parts off. There's one of my car trailers. It's the car trailer I go to pick up all my cars. Here's the bumper reinforcement and the radiator support that I need to bolt back up. There's a plastic shield for underneath the bumper. There's a bumper cover. Can't show you the other side there because it's got the original owner's plates on it. They just wanted me to get rid of the part, or get rid of them. They were going to throw them away. I told them I'd take them with me. I'll dispose of them. They ain't no good anyway. But yeah, this is the 2008 Mazda 3 rebuild. If you like to see video on this rebuild, which is only going to be a couple of episodes, not much, basically just gonna put it all back together and give it a paint job and send her down the road. But yeah, if you like this video or like any of my other videos, please like, subscribe, comment, share. But thank you for watching. I'm going to try to get a walkthrough of the fire rebuild camper. Try and figure out a few things. I got rooftop AC for it and got a few things for it. It's trying to get it ready for Labor Day weekend, so I'm gonna end up doing some nightly things on other projects. But if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, share. If you'd like for me to do a review on something, please comment or send me an email through YouTube, and I can get you my address and stuff. I'm still working on P.O. Box with this coronavirus. Most of the stuff has gotten closed down. Then we had a big storm, so things are still not working. I'm trying to work on merch, but I haven't found help to do it. I had one company lined up, and they ended up backing out because a storm they had, so they ended up backing out. And so I'm still looking to do merchandise. Might fire up my vinyl cutter and do some things off of it. But this is just a short video of the Mazda 3 rebuild project that I'm doing for someone, family member. Clean title car. One owner. Purchased it from the original owner. But if you like this video, subscribe, comment, share, do all the above. Hit that bell notification so you know when I when I upload videos. I know I haven't uploaded for a little while because I've been busy trying to get other projects done. But thanks for watching. Bye.